and speaking after the Super Bowl, we have another winter storm that we are watching. This one will be for your Tuesday. So here's a look at what we have right now with Tuesday's system. It does look like it's going to be all snow and arrive in the afternoon on your Tuesday, with the steadiest being in the evening and early overnight hours of Tuesday night, and begin to move out as we head into Wednesday. Right now, that we are expecting moderate snow accumulation, especially for our southern counties. It will decrease the farther north you go, with the heaviest being to the south. It looks like in the D.C. and Baltimore area. So that's what we expect right now in terms of snow accumulation with your Tuesday storm. But it does again look like an all snow event, with the heavier snowfall being south of our state. And then as we go into the afternoon, that's when it arrives, the steadiest being in the late. And then we have another storm behind it. We're going to take it one at a time, though, as we go into Tuesday, another one potentially later in the week on Thursday.